Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy.
In this class, we'll discuss a few tools and menu bars in Photoshop. So just I'm creating a new document. So any random size you can create because initially I'm doing it for checking purpose or normal tools, how to work with the tools, where we will get the tools and all we'll discuss. So just create a new file. In the left hand side, you can see the left bar are completely left. There are a lot more tools you can see over here. These are all the main tools which we are working with the Photoshop. So and again in the top side you can see a menu bar. So this one we call it as menu bar. Under each option you will get lot more different options. So under layer you can see lot more things. Under type also you will get lot more things. So select, filter, 3D, view, windows, helps. So these all are our menu bars, and the left one is our tools, a complete tools panel. So where and all you can see a small black color arrow mark that indicates there are few sub tools inside that tools. So sub categories inside that category. So if you click on layer, under new there are few things, layer from background group, like this. Wherever you can see black arrows, so that is we have few other things over there. So again if it is come to right hand side, so right hand side you can see over here, this is our color palette or the color mixer we call it as. So here you will get lot more colors, millions of colors and millions of shades you can access over here. So if you click on swatches, these all are our preset colors. So you can use these things for your artwork also, color mixer and color swatches. And again, if it is come to bottom right corner side, you have a layer panel. For Photoshop, layers are important. Each and individual things we are working with the layers only. So layers is must and should you need to know, and layers is a must and should always remember. So it's complete Photoshop depends on layers, layer based work only. So these all are our interface. So the middle one, the white color, the canvas, you can see this is our canvas and this is our work area. The background you can see a very dark color over here. If you want to change the background color or dark gray, so just right click over there. Here you will get a black, dark gray, medium gray, light gray, whichever colors you need you can use. Now it is black, dark gray, medium gray, light gray. Or if you want to use any custom colors, just click on customs. So by default previously I'm working with the blue color, that's why it is showing a blue. So select custom colors. So here you can pick any colors, whichever color you need you can pick. So whichever color you like you can use that as a background area. So but remember, the white color area is my working area. Except white area you can't able to work anything outer part. So just I used to prefer normally default colors. So default color will look good for me. So always I use default color. And then a few shortcuts I will explain over here. So to zoom in and zoom out your canvas, always you need to use Control plus or Control minus. So Control minus is for zoom out and Control plus is for zoom in. In the left bottom also you can see currently I'm in 66.6% zoom in. If you're moving, so zoom in, zoom out, you can see automatically it is changing. So 100%, 66, 50% like that. So control plus and control minus. As usual, universal undo, control Z. So this is a very common thing. In all the softwares, our undo is control Z. So if you go on edit, so here you have an option called control Z. So that is undo. So to move anything, so this one is a move tool. So whenever you are moving any layers or any images, always you need to select move tool and then you need to start working.
Hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.